Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to take a look at a package I recently received in the mail. Let's get this thing open and see what's in there. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing cut open. See what we might have in here. Looks pretty well packaged with the nice bubble wrap there. Reach in there and got a package inside a package. Let me go ahead and cut this open as well. Get this stuff out of my way. Looks like it's pretty well wrapped up, taped. Let's see what we have. Need to get the scissors out for a third time, which means we have some good packaging. So, still trying to cut this thing open. It's in a pill bottle, whatever it is. Still trying to get in there. Wow. Boy, I will tell you what. This thing is wrapped up tight. Still trying to get it open, folks. Hang in there. Hopefully they didn't send me somebody's prescription. A little bit further. A little bit further. Whew. I made it. There we go. Got myself some junk silver. It's an interesting way to package it. I've never received junk silver in a prescription bottle before, but as you can see, it's very well packaged. It's no jiggly at all, so no one was going to hear in the mail what it was. So that's good. This person packaged it up very well. I appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get all these cotton balls out of here. Wow, this thing is really packaged up well. These things out of my way. If any cotton balls, I know where to find them, that's for sure. Let me see, got a couple dimes that fell out here. Let's go ahead and see what else we have here. Some quarters. $2 worth of quarters. And we have some dimes here as well. So let's go ahead and count those. There's 10. So yeah, I ordered this off eBay. And I was able to use eBay bucks. So able to get 10% off, which again, put it under spot. That's what I like. I like to order things under spot. So it's $4 worth of junk. And I believe with the eBay bucks I paid a little under $40. So if you do the math, that's less than 10x on it. So that is below spot, current price of spot. So yeah, it looks like there's some slickers here. It's alright, I'll throw it into the coin cam, see what that's showing us. So yeah, it's got some wear on there, but that's okay. I'll still take it. Let's look at a dime here. It looks okay, 61. Not bad. So anyway, that's all it was. Just some more junk, and time, so it'll help go towards my dime collection, and the quarter certainly towards what I'm trying to build to get my quarterbacks done. But anyway, $1, $2, $3, and $4. And you know, I don't mind buying in small increments. Can't always afford those big purchases that you've seen me do in the past. And just a little bit at a time is fine. That's how we build our collection. Doesn't have to be all at once. You never know. Maybe you know, silver will drop in price again, and you can get it even cheaper. But so I get the glare of those lights off of there. You can see it pretty well. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now? Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.